how to use Deezers to fulfill orders. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to fulfill orders into details in Shopify from Deezers. Deezers is a great drop shipping supplier that allows you to sell products from AliExpress without having to carry any inventory. So without further ado, let's get started. Stripe is a payment processing platform that allows businesses to accept online payments. It is one of the most popular payment processors in the world, and it is used by businesses of all sizes from startups to large enterprises. Stripe offers a variety of features to make it easy for businesses to accept payments, including payment processing. Stripe can process payments from major credit and debit cards, as well as digital wallets like PayPal and Apple Pay. Subscriptions. Stripe can manage recurring payments for subscriptions such as SaaS, such as memberships and subscriptions. The next would be invoicing. Stripe can generate and send invoices to customers and automatically process payments when invoices are due. Fraud protection. Stripe has built-in fraud protection features to help businesses prevent fraud. Also, global payments. Stripe can accept payments from customers in over 135 countries. Stripe is easy to use and set up, and it offers a variety of pricing plans to fit the needs of businesses of all sizes. So without further ado, let's get started on creating your account in Stripe. First is you need to click this start now or sign in, whatever you want to choose to click, and then you will be directed to sign up and creating your account in Stripe. If you don't have an account on Stripe yet, you just have to put your email, your full name, your country, and your password. And if you already have one, you just click login or sign in and then put your username and password. And then once you have created your account and we are now here on the dashboard, we have to activate your account by clicking in here in the test mode, then click activate your account. Then you have to fill in this information such as our business type, business details, fulfillment details, public details, also your bank, and also verifying your account. And then after filling in the details, we can now make payments, balances, customers, products, billing reports, connect, and more. We can now able to use these Stripe features. First, to create payment is to click on payments and then click create payment if you want to create an invoice, payment link, subscription, or manual payment. We're going to first do manual payment. You can choose if it is one-time or recurring payment. You can put here the amount, for example, and then the currency that you want, and then the customer like this. For example, we can add a new customer by stating the name and then the email, like for example, and the description, for example, and their billing information. You can click the same as account email, billing details, their US number, whatever country they are in, and then just take this if they have the same billing as billing details, and then choose country again if it is not the same, and then just fill it in and then just add customer. Then after adding a customer, you can add a description that is associated with the payment and then the payment method that you want to use. Then you can email your customer as hosted invoice with Stripe billing, invoice due in how many days that you want them to pay. Then just submit payment. Let's put in a service. So you can now submit payment. Then invoice has been sent to this email, and then you can close it if you don't want. And now it would appear and reflect in here your payment for invoice. And then now let's do the balances. In the balances, it will show the Stripe account balance that you have on your account. It will be shown in here. You can add to balance, or you can also have refunds and disputes or manage payout. You can select your payout schedule and you can manage your bank account in here. And then next would be the customers. This is the customer list that we want to add. If we have new customer, just click this add customer and then just put their details in here. Just click add. And then for the products, this product is what we want to sell to our customers, and they can be anything from physical goods to digital service or subscription plans. And then the next would be billing. And in the billing section, there is a recommended task, test functionality, and subscription and invoices that you want to follow so you can customize it. And you need to test your products, and then you're going to sell your products, and then set up and customize a self-serve customer portal and to activate your account. And you will see here the statistics of the growth of your active subscribers, new subscribers, trials. Here you can also download reports per month, the products, the retention, the subscribers, the collections, and so on. And then for the reports, here are the financial reports of your balance, your payout reconciliation, revenue recognition, and some analytics such as the billing radar. And also you can monitor your card programs, payment methods, and payment authentication. And on Connect, there are integration for applications that you want to connect, such as collect payments and then pay out. And then you can enable other businesses to accept payments directly to your Stripe account. Also, you can add money and pay out vendors or service providers. You can also create and customize virtual and physical spending cards, and also provide a bank account replacement with your platform. For businesses using a platform, you can partner it with Squarespace, WooCommerce, and Wix. Or you can also find a partner based on the list. Also, for platform developers, you can also connect and share sync data across systems, visualize key information within Stripe, and then take quick actions to simplify workflows such as from Intercom, DocuSign, and MailChimp. And then if you click more, there are actually a lot of features that you can see in here. You just have to select and test whatever you like to feature. And lastly, if you click more, you can see here the Stripe products and features such as for the payments, finance automation, banking as a service, and other apps. And that's it. That is how you use Stripe for a beginner. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time.